guys, in this video I am going to talk about MI Band 4. MI Band 4 is released in China and there are two variants for MI Band 4, and one is normal variant and another is NFC variant. 0.95-inch display, 120 into 240 pixel AM OLED, 24-bit color touch screen display with up to 400 nits brightness, 2.5D scratch resistant glass, shows time, steps, heart rate, activities, weather, notifications from apps, call and more. Microphone for voice assistant, NFC edition only. Heart rate sensor, monitors your fitness and tracks your sleep. Sedentary reminder, tri-axis accelerometer plus tri-axis gyro, capacitive wear monitoring sensor, and weight is 22.1 gram for normal variant and 22.4 gram for NFC variant. 5 atmosphere, 50 meters water resistant, Bluetooth 5.0 LE, NFC optional for the NFC variant only, and battery for the normal variant is 135 mAh and Li ion polymer battery and 20 days of usage, and for the NFC variant 125 mAh battery and 15 days of usage. The MI Band 4 comes with 5 colors: black, brown, blue, orange and pink, and price is 169 yuan, 1695 rupees, and goes on sale in China from June 16. The MI Band 4 NFC edition is priced 229 yuan and approx 2300 rupees, and the MI Band 4 Avengers Limited edition cost 349 yuan, approximate 3500 rupees only.